Alfred Hitchcock. The birds. Where are they all coming from? What is this called? John, what is it? What is this? Wow. More of them. I'm telling you, we're trapped in that movie, The Birds. This is strange. I don't know if I'd like this, Shannon. Should we be nervous? I don't know what to do right now. Do we have milk? Eggs? Do we have bread? We might not survive this. Shannon, I'm gonna need you to go to the gas station and get a couple gallons of gas for the generator. I know. I know. Are you getting nervous? All right, Sean, get the nails and the boards. I'll board up the windows. I don't know if I'm witnessing a phenomena or this happens like 100 times daily in this neighborhood. Shannon, are you come on. Heal up, let's go. Sit. Get out there. You take the first brunt of it if we have to go out there, okay? Good girl. Look at that. What could possibly be in that lawn that they're so attracted to? Alright, Shannon. I was kidding before. Now I'm getting really nervous. Okay? Now I'm getting really nervous. Alright, well, if you don't hear from me and Shannon again, we got killed by this small cluster of blackbirds. Have a good night.